Hi guys, my name is Adi, and today I'm going to be giving you guys advice on embroidery, like problems that might happen in embroidery and what to do, like how I would do it and how other people might do it and everything. So let's start. Situation 1. Imagine you're doing design and you the machine suddenly stops and it just starts blinking red. You check your design, you check under, and you see big clumps of threads all stuck together. Like that happened to me when I was like testing out design, and all I did was like I checked the density of my design and also the design itself, because design might be messed up if you're doing it, if like a person did it for you, you had a digitizer to do it for you and not yourself. So you might want to check it before you run on the machine, because it might be just a waste of thread. Situation 2. So when you're doing design on your shirt, like this shirt, and you were stretching it out like this, and you just hoop down the hoop and put it in the machine. What you want to do to put on the machine, you want to make sure your collar isn't facing backwards and do the design back and upside down, or do you want your collars facing, actually you just want it backwards, because then you can just tuck this part of the shirt, like the bottom part of your shirt, into the side of the machine. But as I was saying, imagine you were doing that and then you run the machine and you take it out and you think everything's fine, it's going to be great, and then you see rumbles up like this, and then you think that everything is ruined. But I could tell you a way to solve it. You want to either not stretch it too much or check the pull comp. It's how it works, because the pull comp might it pulls in different directions, so you just want to check that to make sure you have the right directions. Situation 3. When you have a canvas hat, like I used that before, and on my needles, it was not good. It like broke my needles 1,000 times. That's why we stopped using them. But we did get titanium ones, and they're way better. But I wouldn't recommend to use. I just recommend to use regular hats, because you can waste lots of needles doing that, not knowing if it'll actually work. Because it took so long just to do it. But it's your choice, it's not mine. I'm just telling you what happened to me. Okay guys, this is all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.